I just got the package in the mail just a little bit ago of the Grizzly recall for the tool rest. So I'm going to show everyone what it looks like and just open everything up, and I guess you could call it an unboxing, but it's really a recall of the tool rest. It's really heavy, by the way. Oh boy. Shipping info. Have to save that. It's a good thing it's double boxed. Alright, let's see what we got. Interesting. So it's for these models. If you can see it, G0584, G0462, and W1758 lathes. It says to immediately stop using these and replace it with these. And it gives you some warnings and stuff. Stuff we already know. Alright, so tool rest. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. Kind of looks like the same one, but we'll see. Nope. Yeah, it kind of looks the same. So, tool rest. Everyone knows what a tool rest is. I'll have a mess to clean up in a little bit. This is the faceplate. Let's open this thing up. And it does come greased, I guess. Yep. In a nice plastic bag. I'll probably be saving this plastic bag for something else. So there's the tool rest. And, oh boy. This is the tool rest base. I can already tell it's a lot beefier, because the thing I was using is dinky. Dinky. I had questions about it when I first got it, but I figured, they probably did some tests on it. And this one comes greased as well, so I might have to get some degreaser, or just because of the bottom right here, it might slide on your tool bed. The whole thing is greased. But here it is. It's has this handle, which is nice. It's a quick handle. So it's pretty big and heavy. Alright, I'm gonna try to put this on real quick just to show. It's really easy to put on. I'm not even sure why I'm recording this part, but that goes off. This goes underneath your tool bed. This is the locking mechanism, and all you do, can you see that? You line everything up underneath, if I can find it. hole. And I'm not finding the hole. Hold on. I said this was supposed to be easy. There we go. I just had to raise the handle up to get more threads. I think that's on there pretty good. But this tool rest looks really oversized for this lathe bed, but it's a nice handle, which I like. That's it. I'm gonna upload this video without any fancy editing or anything like that. But if you like what you see and you enjoy watching the videos, I'd appreciate it if you would join the channel. I appreciate you.